All right. Hello, you trader nerds. Welcome in. I am Sweet Bobby, your host for this fabulous, fabulous hour. Real traders never trade alone. They trade with their fellow nerds. We got Chris with us, Dan, DB, we got Drew, we got Dwayne, we got Ed, we got Edwin, we got Grant, we got Hal, we got Jim, we got Matt Jolly Wally, Roll Tide, we got Mo, we got Ricardo, we got Rick, we got Schwaz, we got Sean, we got another Sean, and a Thomas, and a Tom, and a Vicky with an I. We are full today. So how are you? It is Tuesday. Don't forget Thursday that the markets will be closed. I think the futures will be open, but we'll probably take the day off on Thursday just because it'll be very, very low volume. So we'll take that off for the honoring of President Carter. And I really hate that I never went to his Sunday school class. I told Beth several years ago, I said, before he dies, we need to go to his Sunday school class down in Plains, Georgia. And we just never did. I thought it'd been neat for the kids to meet him and everything, and Rosalind. So, you know, we never made it. Well, that's life sometimes. But nonetheless, it makes me mad when my friends they have pictures of him during the Sunday school class, and I'm like, oh man, they went and I didn't get to go. So got to do what we got to do when we can do it, right? So let's see how our market's doing today, y'all. The E-minis is down 0.78%, down 46 points. And the E-minis or the NASDAQ is down 1.49%. Well, that means it is ugly for TQQQ, but do you remember what happened yesterday? TQQ is down 4.48%. Now, what does that mean, y'all? Yesterday, we had a cash secured put that filled, didn't we? That we took the profits on. What a great day to sell another put in TQQQ and bring a little income in. So I think we'll try to do that. VIX is at 17.74. AD is positive, believe it or not, on such a down day, but it is going downward. So let's look at our big green monsters. And let's go to the E-minis first. And looky. We are, what happens? It gets overbought, and sure enough, it goes back down into the fair value zone. That's kind of the way this thing works. Let's look at the NQ. The NQ, it's at a little area of support right there. Should be a little bit of support. We'll see if we kind of stop right there for the day and maybe pop back up, or if we break through and become oversold. But nonetheless, it probably feels really good at this point of control. That's where a lot of activity and volume has been traded. But look at this. It almost looks like this is a point of control. So this kind of might look a little bullish for me on NQ. Let's go to the linear regression. I still have not made any heads or tails of this. Maybe this is just holiday action, low volume, and I don't see a trend happening here yet. But hopefully this will make itself clear to us within the coming days. All right, so our little account is down a little bit today. So let's go look and see what's happening. So our account is down 1120 in this one. Don't look at this one. This is altogether different stuff in that. So we're down 1121 in that one. And then the small account, we're down 278. So what we need to do is let's see what our little positions are. I see how let's see, we got naked puts there. Those are only up just a little bit. They're still positive, right, on our 112 trades. And let's see what we got in TQQQ. We've got a covered call that is up $177 today. How about that? That looks really good. Oh, and we need to look at where we did this yesterday. Remember this? The 34.
Complete the hedge.
Yeah, we can complete the hedge today and be able to sell that for a lot more than what we could have. So let's go look at that. So let's go trade, and look at this, y'all. I was telling the group before we started recording, we're playing with the active trader some, may do some scalping together, which would be a lot of fun. Just keep it small so we don't, lose our way about it. But let's go out to 83 days. And let's see if that little thing popped up a little bit. So we sold the 40, 54. I don't know what we did. Here we did. We did this. Look at that, y'all. Remember, this thing was $3 or so yesterday. Now it's 370. What a much better time to sell the three. So why don't we do that? So let's bump it up and see if we can get 380. And let's go quantity of three. Good, Hal. That was a good suggestion. So we'll go ahead and finish our hedge. Let's go to activity. Let's go to working. And I hate you have to refresh this all the time. There we go. So let's see if we can go 375 because we are greedy little son of guns. I just fed my pigs a while ago, and my goat Oreo, she's so mean to the other goats. I was trying to feed my, yeah.
You don't have to switch screens like that. You see that W over there? Click
Oh,
on
okay.
that.
Oh, good. Look at there. Thank you, Hal. Thank you so much. That's very good. There we are, baby. Look at this. So we got us a hedge in now. So that you see how just waiting a day for it to go down and to pop that up a little bit, it just kind of improves your odds. So I like that. Now, of course, we really bit our hedge in the butt, didn't we? Because we don't have near as much hedge. And I probably should have checked and seen what it is. Now, let's see, we got 152 deltas, right? So our deltas were 140 something. So that went up a little bit. We still got negative theta because of those hedges that we have, and we've got positive Vega, which is really, really cool. We're only using 46% of our buying power. Let's look at our cash balances today. Okay, I don't like that. So now our cash is positive, but look, they charged us another $3 in interest. So hopefully, when that settled cash that we did yesterday by selling that bill, hopefully this thing will be like, whew, we don't have that anymore. So I think we're good. But I may just sell one more share of bill just to make sure. I just don't want to pay any margin interest. Let's sell a little bit of bill, just one share. Let's see, bill. How do you share a share? Sell, and we just want to sell one, and then we need to do a put. And there we go. So one share of those, and so then we're going to go to our friend TQQQ. Look at this, y'all, down 4% today. What a great time to sell a put. Let's see where we can sell one. So normally we go out about 4 to 5 days. And looks like our cost basis is right here at about the 74 or so, right? I think that's where it puts your cost basis. And let's see what the trading plan says. VIX was what, 17? So it says here puts if VIX is between sell of 20 to 25 delta. All right, we'll handle that. So a 20 to 25 delta. Here's a look at this, y'all. I like this 20 to 25. Let's sell this one right here, the 70. The last one we sold was 74. So let's sell this 70 and bring in $244. We might, oh my God, what is that? $31,000. Crap. All right, so let's go sell the 70 right there. Let's bump it up to there. So we'll go just one and swing better. Hal, thank you for telling me that. Look at that. I think you may have told me that before and I just don't remember. Let's do it again. And we are in, baby. So what we need to do now, that's even below our cost basis. So if we had to buy at 70, we'd be fine with that. So let's now go and put a 50% on this. So we'll go close position at 50%, GTC, $1.21, and send it, baby. All right, good. So did want to tell y'all that I did scalp yesterday. I was telling the guys before we got started, and it was kind of cool using the active trader. It's not really intuitive, but it's something that we're probably going to work on together a little bit and maybe doing a little scalp as I continue to learn myself. So whatever I learn, I will definitely share with y'all because I'd like all of y'all to be successful at it. And if we can make a little money, I mean, think about it. If you could make, I mean, just say if you could scalp $50 a day, all right, times 5, if you could average that, 250 times 52 weeks. I mean, if you could get that's $13,000. That's pretty good. So we'll see what we can do with that. All right. I love y'all to pieces. Y'all know I love you and hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. And I will see y'all tomorrow.